So you have just unboxed your Galaxy Buds 3 Pro and want to get familiar with all the basic functions that you can use right after pairing, plus all the customization options available if you do use the wearable app. In today's complete beginner's guide, we will walk you through how to make the most of your buds, including how to use it and some special settings and features that you can try with the buds. So right after unboxing, to take it into pairing mode for the first time with any Samsung phone, what you need to do is just open the lid of your charging case, keep it near the device you want to pair. You will get a pop-up on your phone. You'll have to just go ahead and follow the prompts to pair your buds with it. It'll automatically download a wearable app if it's not installed yet on your Samsung. If you're pairing with a non-Samsung Android or an iPhone, just press and hold this button at the bottom of your charging case while the buds are inside. It will be on pairing mode with a green, red, and blue LED. Then from the Bluetooth settings of whatever device you're going to pair it with, tap on the bud's name when it pops up. Now once it's paired with any device, you can tap once on the blade to play and pause music and answer and end calls. Tapping twice will get you to the next track. Tapping thrice will get you back to the previous one. And swiping up and down through the stem will increase and decrease the volume respectively. And also if you press and hold the stem, it will cycle between ANC and ambience. Now comes the wearable app that you can use for further customization. Available only for download from Play Store on any of your Android phones, including Samsung. Now first of all, when you open the app, your Buds' current battery status will shown in here. From the dashboard, as you can see, if you wear the buds, you can change the modes from ANC, adaptive, ambience, and you can also turn it off. You can also change the ANC intensity from here. Next, in auto switch to ambient sound option, you can turn on voice and siren detect to enable ambience whenever you talk to someone, or if the buds mic detects sirens nearby, especially if you're outside running with your buds. In earbud controls, you will find all the controls regarding the volume, calls, and music right in here. If you want, you can slightly customize the left and right options. Now talking about LED, it's turned off when you unpack your earbuds. You'll have to pinch and hold both on your earbuds to turn it on manually. And after that, from this section, you can change the LED patterns. Going back to the dashboard, in earbud settings, enabling voice control will let you control all these functions without touch gesture. You don't have to even touch your buds or the device to change the volume, play and pause music, or take the calls. Only once you turn on the voice command option. You can check out the in-ear detection settings and decide if you want to keep this turned off or on, or mix and match between them. In read notification settings, the notifications will read on your ear if it's turned on for all or selected apps. Now, if you find it annoying, you can just keep this turned off all the way. Seamless connection will let you switch between music whenever playing from different devices logged into the same Samsung account. Neck stretch is quite an interesting and new feature that you can turn on if you want. This will remind you to straighten up your neck when you hunch it for a long time. You can also see a demo from here. From Labs, especially if you're a gamer, you can turn this option on. You can turn on gaming mode to experience a game emphasis sound. And from Reset, you can take your earbud settings back to the default ones. In accessibility, you can see the left and right balance and check out all the other options. If you want to turn on ANC with just one earbud, hearing some enhancement ambient sound, for which you'll have to wear at least one earbud, along with some other ANC settings. And lastly, in software update, you can manually download and install the software, or just enable auto update, because updates always comes with a lot of bug fixes. Through Find My Earbuds, you can always find the buds if it's lost nearby somewhere at your house, or if you have misplaced or left the buds somewhere far away. When you're done using your buds for the day, you can just keep the buds inside the charging case. The buds will get disconnected from your device and will get charged from the charging case. You can charge the charging box with the USB-C cable that came with the Buds, or with any standard wireless charger, even with a wireless reverse power sharing. And finally, once you keep using the Buds, make sure the mic section is clean, and also these charging slots and the connectors underneath are clean enough to avoid any microphone or charging issues. And once you search using the Buds continuously, naturally if you stumble upon any types of not working issues, you can check out our other troubleshoot tips and tricks videos to get a suitable solution to that. Thanks for watching.